Okay, in this video I'm gonna try to complete the e-commerce application. So back here on the product description screen, we're gonna need a new block like this one here, but in the tag part we're gonna get the name of the person if she or he is registered in the application. So coming from the screen 1, we're gonna use the tag username 1 to get the name of the person logged in the application. We're gonna need a if statement. We're gonna compare this to a text with nothing in it. So we're gonna need a logic. If it's equal to nothing, we're gonna need to send the person to the register screen. So here we're gonna get the open another screen name, and then we're gonna need a notifier. So let's add a notifier here, and then we're gonna send him to the register screen. So here I'm gonna send to the register screen, and the notifier is gonna show a message. So we're gonna set a message to say that he needs to register in the application to be able to choose the quantity and add the product to the cart in the application. So this one here is gonna be invisible. We're gonna set this visible to true. If the username 1 is equal to something different, that means exactly that the person is logged in the application. So we're gonna set the checkbox to true, and also we're gonna set the label quantity text that's hidden is this one here to the list picker selection. After that, we're gonna need the checkbox event when it's changed. Here we're gonna need the Firebase Component. So we are gonna need to use the project on Firebase that we are using to register the person, or you can set another new project just for this part in the product description. So I'm gonna copy the URL, and here the project bucket is gonna be a new one. So when we save the quantity and the price under the name of this person. Also we need the Firebase token So in the change, when it's changed, it means that when the person check the box after he select the quantity of the product he wants to buy, we're gonna go and save on the Firebase component under the project that you choose. So back here, we're gonna go in the Firebase component. We're gonna change the project bucket to the username of the person that's using the application. We're gonna go and store under the tag of the name of the product, so it's gonna be the label title. Here we're gonna need the make list block. We're gonna need 3 items. So the first one, the second one, and the third one. The third one is the total price, so I'm gonna call it total. We're gonna go and use this block here. We're gonna need the label price. Let me check here. Yes, it's the label price, and also the label selected quantity. So we're gonna take the price and take the selected quantity, and it's gonna be a number, the total amount of money to buy this product. This one here is gonna be the name, and this one here the quantity. So we're gonna need the label title, and the quantity is gonna be the label selected quantity. We're gonna save under the name of the product, the quantity that the person choose, and also the total amount of money to buy this. We're gonna send this all to the cart. Now we're gonna need a new screen. We're gonna call it cart. The cart, we're gonna need the Firebase component. It's gonna be the same as in the product description screen. So it's gonna be this one here. We're gonna need a time database, so we can check if the person is logged, if there is a username in the interface. We're gonna need a horizontal arrangement, another horizontal arrangement, This one here is gonna be the buttons. We're gonna need 3 buttons here. This one is the refresh. The button cards. So this one here is gonna have the same height and width. I'm gonna put the image. The second one is gonna be the refresh. "48, 48. And the third button is gonna be this one here. Also 48, 48. I'm gonna put 2 labels to put some space between the buttons. Okay, this horizontal arrangement here is just to put a go back button. So I'm gonna put a button here. This one is go back. Now we're gonna need another horizontal arrangement. So back here we're gonna need 2 vertical scroll arrangements. In this one here, 2 parents. This one here is 2 parents. In this side here, we're gonna need a list view. On the other side, another list view. We're gonna set as white and the text color as black. This one is white and the text color black. This one here is the list of names. And to end this part of the interface, you're gonna need a vertical arrangement. In here, we're gonna call this one delete. You're gonna have a button. You're gonna have a label and a list view. We're gonna also set the color of the text black and white for the background. The button is gonna be this one here. I'm gonna set as 48 and 48 for the height. This button is to go back to the H1 arrangement. In this label here, we're gonna set a message. Select the name of the product that you want to delete from the cart. So it's gonna appear here. Gonna be the list of the name of the products that is under the cart of this person, and he'll be able to delete the product that he doesn't want to buy. So the delete part is gonna be invisible, and it's only gonna appear when you click this button here. We're gonna call this button as the button delete. So back in the blocks part, when it's back pressed or when it's clicked the go back button, we're gonna close the screen. When it's initialized, we're gonna have the H1 visible as true, and the delete variable as false. When we click the delete button, we're gonna change the h1 to false and the delete arrangement to true. When we click the go back h1, we're gonna have the h1 as true and the delete one as false. So when it's initialized, we're gonna go and check if the person is logged. So we're gonna get the get value from the time database. We're gonna set the logic. We're gonna have a if statement. We're gonna need a notifier. So we're gonna show the message. And send the person to the register screen only when the person is logged in. So we're gonna check under the tag username 1. That is the same as in the product description or in the screen 1. So is this one here. Screen 1 name, username 1, username 1. If it's different from nothing, it means that the person is logged in and we need to get the Firebase component. We're gonna change the product bucket to the name of the person, and we're gonna use the get tag list Fire component. So we're gonna get a list of all the names of products that this person has used, has put in the cart. So we're gonna need now the tag list event. We're gonna get the list of name of products elements from string block. We're gonna need a variable. I'm gonna call the list of names. We're gonna need the list to see comma separate value row list. And the list is the value. We're gonna need a second list of names. This one here, this variable. We're gonna replace So back here we're gonna replace all the text. All the text is gonna be the list here, the first list, the segment. It's gonna be this one here, and I'm gonna replace for nothing. And for the last, we're gonna get the list of names, elements from string, so in this list here is gonna be appear all the name of the products that the person selected to add to the cart. So what's next now is gonna be this list of products after picking. We're gonna get the get value Firebase component. And the tag is the name of the product selected in that list. So we're gonna get the value of that name of that product. We're gonna need the got value component, got value event. So back here we're gonna need a new variable. This one is gonna be the list of products. I'm gonna create an empty list. In the got value event, we're gonna make a new list. The list is gonna be the list of products, and the item is gonna be we're gonna use this block here. We're gonna get first the name of the product. After we choose in the first list view, we're gonna go to the Firebase component. We're gonna get the name of the product, the quantity, and the price. So actually is this one here. So the list is the list of products, the item is this one, and the index is number 1. Gonna do this three times. The index here is 2 and this one here is 3. So back on the product description, we saved the name, we saved quantity and total. So we're gonna go and get the key name, the key quantity, and also the key total. The pair is gonna be the value for all of trees, so we're gonna get the name, the quantity, and also the total price. We're gonna get the list view 2 elements, and then we're gonna set the list of products, and then we're gonna get the time database. We're gonna store the value. It's gonna be the list of products, and in the tag we're gonna call it list. Now what we're gonna do, actually I'm gonna do in the next video, the button card, the refresh button is gonna be only the tag list. So every time we click the refresh, we're gonna get the list of name of products. So the next video is gonna have the button card. We're gonna set the part where you can delete the name of products that you don't want from the cart. So we're gonna select from this list here, and we're gonna go and set the email that we're gonna send to ourselves with all the list of products that the person selects in the cart. We're gonna send to an email that we're gonna set here, and we're gonna receive all the order for the products in our application. So for this video is this. I hope you like it, and I gonna make the fifth video showing the rest of the application.